Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Ready to elevate your Snapchat and reach a wider audience? In this video, I will show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat. Let's go. Public profiles allow Snapchat users to become more discoverable and grow an audience on the platform. If you're 18 or older, you automatically have a public profile. However, you have the choice of whether or not to use it. It provides access to showcasing stories, where you can share collections of your favorite profile snaps, photos, and videos permanently on your public profile. On My Public Profile, tap Edit Profile to add your profile information. Here you can put a bio, profile photo, cover photo, and other public information that you want your fans to see. You can also decide whether or not to display your follower count publicly. Public profiles are designed to enable creators to connect and grow within the wider Snapchat community. They provide a platform for Snapchat users to express themselves and share content beyond their immediate friends. Here, they can share their story publicly and permanently. Keep in mind that adhering to Snapchat's community guidelines is essential. Failure to comply may affect your ability to have a public profile. Okay, if I've been able to assist you, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you enjoy taking photos and videos with your iPhone, please visit my website. Over the last few months, I've created a video course where I've gathered the best tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your iPhone for photography. You'll find the link to the website in the video description. Until next time, bye.